Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Subaru Outback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and much more. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Stop in and take a test drive.